Welcome back to Car Flair. Today we're exploring the innovative 2025 Nissan Motorhome camper truck, a bold new contender in the world of adventure vehicles. Nissan has combined practicality, comfort, and cutting-edge technology to create a motorhome truck that's ready for the road less traveled. At its core, this camper truck is built on Nissan's reliable Titan XD platform, delivering impressive power and versatility. Equipped with a 5.6-liter V8 engine, it offers plenty of horsepower and torque to tackle any terrain or haul additional gear. Its reinforced chassis and off-road tuned suspension ensure a smooth and capable ride, whether you're navigating winding mountain roads or venturing off the beaten path. Now let's talk about the camper design. The 2025 Nissan Motorhome camper truck seamlessly integrates functionality with comfort. The spacious interior includes a modern kitchenette featuring a compact refrigerator, a dual-burner stove, and a sink with a built-in water filtration system. There's a cozy dining area that easily converts into a sleeping space, providing enough room to comfortably sleep 2 to 3 people. One of the standout features is the smart storage system. Nissan has optimized every inch of this camper to maximize space, offering built-in compartments and external storage units for all your travel essentials. Whether it's camping gear, bikes, or even kayaks, this camper truck is designed to carry it all. The bathroom setup is compact yet efficient, featuring a wet bath with a shower and a cassette toilet. With themed for off-grid living, the camper is equipped with rooftop solar panels, a lithium-ion battery pack, and an efficient power management system to keep your devices and appliances running during extended adventures. On the outside, the 2025 Nissan Motorhome camper truck is equally impressive. It boasts a rugged exterior design with durable body cladding, all-terrain tires, and a roof rack for additional gear. There's even a retractable awning and an outdoor cooking station, making it perfect for enjoying the great outdoors. This camper truck isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade for adventure seekers. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country journey, the 2025 Nissan Motorhome camper truck offers the perfect blend of capability and comfort. If you're as excited about this as we are, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Car Flair for more exciting vehicles and reviews.